Hi, my name is Sylvie. I am a certified health coach and yoga instructor, and today we're going to do a quick and effective hip opening routine using a strap. You're going to start by sitting on your butt with your legs outstretched. So you're going to wrap your strap around your waist and loop it. Bend your knees to bring your feet close to your groin and then to put your strap around your feet. Tighten your strap as much as you can to bring your feet closer in. The advantage of using the strap here is that you can open your hips more with the resistance of the strap, but also some people like how the strap makes them feel cocooned and it helps you keep your tailbone slightly tucked in as you lie on your back. You may use a bolster behind you if that's more comfortable. And we're going to rest here for about a minute. You may also open your hips with your hands or using blocks as weights. Here I like to make sure that I'm pressing the base of my neck down and also that I'm pressing my shoulder blades back and down. You inhale, cinch at the waist, puff up your chest. Exhale, let it all go. And as you inhale, get yourself back up. You can unloop your strap. For our next stretch, we're going to use the strap to stretch your hamstring, but also to stretch your inner hip. You're going to lie again on your back. Extend your left leg, bend your right knee, bring your knee to your chest. Wrap your strap around your foot. Press your foot on the strap. You're creating some pressure on that strap as you're also pressing the strap towards you to open that hip. Now you can inhale and straighten your leg. Exhale, let your leg fall to the right. And you keep pressing your strap against your foot. On your next inhale, bring your foot back up and then bend your knee again. And keep bringing your strap closer to you as you press your foot on the strap. Inhale, straighten your leg. Exhale, let your leg fall to the right. You can pulse in the stretch. So you get deeper into your stretch and then you release it. You get deeper and you release it. And then you inhale, back. We're gonna do the other leg. Bring your left knee close to your chest. Bring your strap on your foot. Press your strap down, but add some resistance to that stretch by pressing your left foot on the strap as well. Inhale, straighten your leg. Exhale, bring your left leg to the left. Inhale, back up. Bend your knee. Inhale, straighten your leg. Exhale, let it fall to the side. Inhale, back up. And our last stretch here. You're going to extend your right leg, bend your left knee, and we're going to stretch that inner hip. As you stretch your inner hip, you'll also get to stretch your left side, and that's where the strap comes in. Wrap your strap around your right foot, and you're going to use the strap to help you lower into the stretch, keeping your chest open. So you're not going to stretch like here. You're going to stay open in the chest. And to do that, you are going to grab your strap with your left hand, place your right hand in front anywhere, and you're going to gaze up. Try to focus on keeping your left glute on the mat. As you open up, you can bring your hand closer to your foot using the strap. Again, inhale and cinch at the waist, open your chest. Exhale, get deeper in the stretch. Inhale, back up. We're going to switch side. Extend your left leg and wrap your strap around your left foot. Grab your strap with your right hand. Bring your left hand in front. Open your chest. Enjoy the stretch. inhale, back up. And that's it for today's hip opening routine using a strap. This routine comes with a blog post that includes a lot more tips and ideas to stretch in your hips if you're curious, if you'd like to learn more. And there's also another routine that I created that will also help you increase your hip strength as well as your flexibility. I recommend you go check it out. Thank you for watching.